this is the first layer muscle, that is flexor digitorum brevis. How will you memorize? On the dorsal aspect there is only one muscle, that is extensor digitorum brevis, and contemporary to that is the flexor digitorum brevis. This one is flexor digitorum brevis, and on the grade 2 side this one is the abductor hallucis brevis. दिखाई दे रहा है ना, इधर से पूरा इस तरफ। अच्छा, abductor hallucis brevis, and this one is abductor digiti minimi. Okay, always there is a combination of fab, that is fabulous. Fab, that is, this one is flexor digitorum brevis, contemporary muscle of extensor digitorum brevis, which is the only muscle on the dorsal aspect of foot. So this is flexor digitorum brevis, and fab is the combination. So on great toe side this is the abductor hallucis brevis, and on little toe side this is abductor digiti minimi. Now come to second layer muscle. Second layer muscle is the quadratus plantae. This one is quadratus plantae muscle or flexor digitorum accessorium, which get inserted on the lateral side of this tendon. What are these tendon? This tendon is of flexor digitorum longus, and second layer muscle is quadratus plantae as well as the lumbricus. Lumbricus takes its origin from the in between the flexor digitorum longus. Here, this is from grade to side. It is counted first lumbrical, then second, then third, then fourth lumbrical. There are 4 lumbrical muscle. First one is unipinnate and rest are bipinnate, and it takes its origin from the tendon of flexor digitorum longus. This is flexor digitorum longus, which is the extrinsic muscle of the second layer of sole. Extrinsic muscles are, second layer of sole is the flexor digitorum longus and flexor hallucis longus. This one is flexor hallucis longus tendon, and this is flexor digitorum longus tendon. And why this is flexor hallucis? Because it is going to the grade 2. The plantar aspect of the distal phalanx of the grade 2, and this other tendon, these are going to the plantar aspect of the distal phalanx of the lateral 4 toes. Okay, and in between these there are lumbrical muscle. After that, just below the abductor hallucis brevis, this one is flexor hallucis brevis. This muscle is flexor hallucis brevis, the third layer muscle, and here is the just below the abductor digiti minimi. This one is abductor digiti minimi. Just below that is the flexor digiti minimi. This one, flexor digiti minimi. Okay, and in the middle there is adductor hallucis muscle. That after culi, that is quadratus plantae and lumbricus, there is just below the abductor hallucis brevis, there is flexor hallucis brevis in the third layer muscle, and on the little toe side there is flexor digiti minimi, and in between these, this is our adductor hallucis. This one is the adductor hallucis. It has got 2 head, oblique head and the transverse head. This one is oblique head, and transverse head is like this. Here is the transverse head, and after that the fourth layer muscle is the plantar interossei, that in between the metatarsal bone there are plantar interossei on the plantar aspect, and from the dorsal aspect there is dorsal interossei. So plantar interossei, they are 3 number, whereas the dorsal interossei, they are 4 in number. They comes under the 4th layer of sole of muscle.